Vishali. Hope you all are doing good और आपके घर पे भी सब लोग ठीक होंगे. So today is 14th of September and this is the date that I'm leaving Thailand and I'm traveling to Germany and I have a flight in the night around 9:15 p.m. and it's a 4:25 p.m. now in Thailand. So in this vlog I will explain all the process. If you are traveling first time to the Germany from India, from Thailand, I will explain all the process is kind of similar, documents are same, but just the airports are different and the check-in thing, the gates number are different and rest of the things all are same. So hope so this blog will be helpful if you are traveling to Germany first time for any purpose. The things that I will explain to you, the check-in thing and what's the process at the immigration, what document that you need to carry and what tips that you should keep in mind while traveling to the Germany, and how is the food in the flight and what's the airline. And like I'm not traveling directly from Thailand to Germany, I'm traveling by Qatar and then Frankfurt and then I will land at my place. So yes, stay tuned, watch this blog till end and you will get all the information. I will share everything with you. And now it's a time to leave because I'm getting late and it's a 1 hour distance to the airport and I will get the traffic as well, so it's better to leave early and reach early over there. So I will meet you over there. Here are all my luggages, 2 big luggage, and this is the backpack, 1 sling bag, and this one is the cabin bag. So this all stuff I'm going to carry. बहुत सारा सामान था. It was so much of stuff, but I managed, and some of the stuff I already sent by the courier. So let's go. Make sure you have a negative RT-PCR report before traveling to the Germany. If you don't have a negative RT-PCR report, then you can't board the flight and can't enter to the Germany. So this is mandatory for the traveling. Okay, so finally I reached the airport. As you can see that the airport is totally empty because less people are traveling during the COVID situation. So first step is like you have to show your passport and air tickets to the police security at the main gate and then you can enter into the airport. So finally I entered over here, and here it's a big airport of a Bangkok. It's huge big, and you can also bring your relatives and friends to the airport. There is no ticket for the entry into this main hall, and after that when you head towards the immigration, then nobody can go with you. So just downstairs there are some restaurants and the cafes where you can have your food before boarding. As you can see that the airport is too big, and now I'm going to the counter of the Qatar Airways to get my boarding pass. So it's at the G counter of the Thailand, and then I will get my boarding pass and will give my all the big bags to the check-in, and then we'll go to the immigration. Also you can see this board of the airline. So whatever the airline you will book, you will find this board, economy and business separately, and then make sure that you have all the document that you have to show to the airline staff, because without this you will not get your boarding pass. So prepare all these documents. And when you are in a queue, they will check your passport first, and then you can go to any available counter to get your boarding pass. And you can see that I have given all my documents to them and they are verifying everything, and after that you can give your bags for check-in. So here are the 2 boarding pass. So I will change the flight from Qatar and then Qatar to Frankfurt. So Finally, I'm leaving this beautiful airport. It's totally empty. Immigration is done, check-in is done. I started the check-in thing around 5:15, and now it's 6:40. So 1 hour 10 minutes it took me for the check-in and immigration. Now I'm heading towards the gate. Before going to the gate, you need to check the flight that it's on time and not delayed and everything. So we will check the flight over here first, and then we'll head towards the gate. I've already shown you the two boarding tickets because I have two flights. First is Bangkok to Qatar and then Qatar to Frankfurt. Okay, so we can check the flight over here, and here is my flight. This is QR833 to Qatar, which is at 9:15 p.m. So yes, it's on time. Let's go. Once you check the time of the flight, then just head towards the boarding gate. The gate number is mentioned on your boarding pass, so make sure you are going to the right direction. If you are confused about the boarding gate, then there are boards in the navigation that will help you to find out the gate number. So just go accordingly. The navigation is given over there, and make sure that you follow all the signs to reach the correct gate on time. And there are some tips that I want to give you for the baggage. So the baggage that you are carrying, and for the cabin, you just bring 100 ml liquid only, and no metal, just keep it separate. For example, you have some coins and the metal things, then during the security check-in you have to keep it separately in the tray. And electronics and battery chargers also you have to keep in a tray for the separate security check-in. As you can see that there are so many boards, and that will like navigate you correctly, and my gate number is E4, so I have to go straight. And before going to the straight, I will show you this bat refund for tourist office. This means that if you have buy any electronic item, anything where the bat has charged previously, then while going back to your country or while leaving the Bangkok or Thailand, any abroad country, you can get the refund of the bat. And here are some duty free items that you can get inside the airport. In the starting, some shops were closed, but here are some shops are open. So these all items are duty free, so you can buy anything from these shops. And after that, there are some cafes, and the restaurants are also there. So if you are hungry, then you can order your cup of coffee and can have some food or snacks, whatever. So here is the airport information counter. If you are confused about anything, and if you have any question, then you can ask to the information counter. They will give you all the details. Like I was asking them, is there any cafe open now? So she just told me, like, if you go straight, then at the end there is a cafe and you can have a snacks, because I was seeing that nothing was open, and she told me there is a one cafe that's open. So now I just entered here at the E gate, and you can see on my left hand side there is a coffee shop. So I will buy one coffee from here and some snacks. Let me see what they have. Okay, so they have the chocolate croissant, some cookies, burgers, but everything is non-veg, but I can buy cookings or maybe a croissant. So I ordered one cup of coffee and the chocolate croissant, and they are just making my coffee. I ordered mocha. I don't know how it would be, but the mocha of Tom and Tom's is amazing, but that's closed over here. Okay, so they are preparing my hot coffee, and I'm so hungry. Like every time when I travel by air, then I just like have my coffee before the flight. If it's like a long hours flight, then it's much needed. And yeah, cheers. Okay, so here you can see E1 to 10, and my gate number is E4. That's on our right hand side, so I have to go downstairs, and on my right hand side is the E4 gate number. got my coffee. I will have it because it's energy booster. If you are traveling like for long hours, then it will help you because it will give you energy. And yes, cheers. And this, I'm having the chocolate croissant. You should eat something with coffee. You should not take coffee just for empty stomach. So yes, I did not get anything vegetarian in Thailand. It's very difficult to get of something vegetarian in Thailand, so I'm at this chocolate croissant. One more tip I would like to give you that keep your water bottle empty before the baggage check-in because only 100 ml of liquid is allowed for the carry bag. But no problem, you can fill your water bottle at the boarding gate. There are so many water purifiers that will resolve your problem, and you can just take your water bottle in the flight. Okay, so I finished my coffee and filled my water bottle. Now I'm going downstairs towards my boarding gate. The boarding time is mentioned on your boarding pass, and you can see that the Qatar Airways staff is already going inside the flight. And downstairs there is a waiting area where you can sit and wait until the boarding starts. And make sure you have a passport and the boarding pass ready in your hands before boarding the flight, because they will check again your passport and the boarding pass. Okay, so boarding has already started, and here is the night view. My flight will take off around 9:15 p.m. and everyone is going inside the flight. And make sure you have a cabin bag of 7 kg. Don't overload it, otherwise they will charge you for the extra baggage. They will charge, I think, around 1600 per kgs, which is huge amount. So make sure you have a 7 kg or less than that. When you enter into your flight, there is the air attendant that will help you to find out the seat. So in Qatar Airways, there are 3 columns, 10 seats in one row, and just on top of your seat there is a cabin for a baggage where you can keep your cabin baggage. That should be 7 kg only. So everyone is entering one by one, and there are 3 zones in Qatar Airways. And if you have any question and if you need any help, just ask the air attendant. They will help you and answer your queries. And don't worry if you are traveling first time in a flight and if you are traveling first time internationally. So the flight is ready to take off, and the Qatar Airways attendant has given me one blanket, and I just put my neck pillow, which is much required for the long hours flight if you want to sleep. And just make sure you just wear your seat belt and just keep your pillow on the back, because it's very important to wear your seat belt while flight takeoff. Also, they have given me kit of mask, sanitizer and hand gloves, which is very important. So sanitize your hands all the time during your travel, and you will have a very small TV to watch anything like any songs, movies, whatever you want to see for your time pass, because it's a long hour journey and you will get bored. So you have a small TV where you can watch movies, series, anything. So you just switch on it, and you have to select the language. So you can select the English language, and after that you have to select the entertainment. Inside the entertainment there are different options like audio, movies. So when you select the entertainment, you can select audio, you can select the Bollywood movies. So on the top there is a movies section, and here are Hollywood, Arabic, Bollywood, African, many like categories. So when I just clicked on the movies Bollywood, the first is Angrezi medium. There are so many, it's up to you which you want to see. So just select your favorite movie, just watch it, or you want to play a song, you can play your songs. So it was working well, and they will give you the headphone as well, which is noise cancellation, so you can enjoy your movie without any interference. And after takeoff they will turn off the lights, and make sure you will have a jacket with you because it's very cold in the flight. So if you have a jacket, that would be great. They will also give you a blanket, but it's better to have a jacket as well, so you can enjoy the cozy and the beautiful journey. You can also see the map where they will tell you the local time, the origin and the destination, the distance, and you can see that heading towards the India. After crossing it we will head towards Germany. And here is the first mail by Qatar Airways. Airways. So this is pad thai noodles. So this is vegetarian, some salad, mango juice, mango pudding, and water and bread. So you can enjoy amazing meals. Like I was traveling from Thailand, so it was like this meal was like kind of a Thai meal. And here I'm enjoying first my mango juice. I was so thirsty, so first I am drinking it. You can order like as many you want. Like you can order 2 3 glasses if you want more. You will have a two option, vegetarian and non-vegetarian. The menu is already decided by them, but you have a option to choose veg and non-veg meal. So like I'm a vegetarian, so I got this pad thai vegetarian noodles. And after the meal you will have a cup of coffee. You can also have a juice, or you can have a soft drink. So I ordered the coffee, so there is a separate milk and the separate sugar. You have to mix everything in it, and here I prepared my coffee. And just have it and enjoy your journey. Also you can check this map on your TV, which tell you where you reach currently. So I'm just near to the Mumbai, reaching like in few minutes. As you can see that I'm crossing the Mumbai, and it was an emotional moment for me as well, because I really love Mumbai and I wish like I hadn't stopover over there, but that was not possible. And just 2 hours before the landing they give me this second meal. So let me open it. Like I'm shooting from one hand and I'm opening it from another hand, so it's difficult. Okay, so this is tortilla bread roll and one muffin. So this is fully vegetarian. You can select any option, vegetarian or non-vegetarian, and they will serve you one drink as well. It's up to you what you want, like coffee, juice, or alcohol, wine, where they serve anything like that you want. So I did not order any drink, but I'm having this meal with warm water. Okay, so finally I reached Qatar airport after 6 hours of flight, and finally it's landed, and I will change the flight from here to Frankfurt.
إذا تتوقف الطائرة نهائيا وتنقطع إشارة الاحتمال. أرجو التأكد من أخذ جميع أمتعتكم قبل مغادرة.
And here is the business class of Qatar Airways. I never travel in business class, but you can see that it looks like this. And when you get down, the bus will wait for you. That will get you to the airport. It will take few minutes, like hardly 2 to 3 minutes to reach to the airport, as you can't walk on the layover. Now I'm just going inside the Qatar airport, and you can see that everyone is going straight. So there is a board where you can check your flight. Just in front of the flight they will mention the gate number, so you can check the gate number of your airline and then head towards that gate number. Okay, so my flight is QR069 to Frankfurt at 1:40, so it is at C12 gate number. After checking the gate number, you have to follow these signs and reach the correct gate number. It's same that I have mentioned earlier. So let's go to the C12. Oops, it's too much of crowd over here. When I was in Bangkok it was totally empty, but I can see huge crowd over here. Maybe because of transit flight or connecting flights. I can see that most of the people are traveling to Canada, Germany, and other countries, so maybe that's why. But it's huge crowd. I did not expect that much of crowd during the COVID situation in Qatar. Okay, I reached the boarding gate of the second flight and they will check your passport and the boarding pass again that you got from the Bangkok. And here is the waiting area, so I will wait for the flight. I think the boarding will start at the 12:40 and until that I will wait over here. Boarding is done. Now I'm traveling to Frankfurt. I'm feeling so sleepy. So yes, now heading towards the next flight to the Frankfurt. Bye bye. Good night. So here is the first meal of the second airline, which is Qatar Airways again. This is the sandwich, orange juice, and warm water. Here is the second meal. I don't know what is this. This is something raspberry brioche, maybe a Qatar dish. One croissant, curd, and some fruits with a water bottle. I reached Frankfurt and it's like 18 degrees Celsius temperature over here, a bit cold. So yes, welcome to the new country and I'm very excited for the new journey and new life, new people, new country. Everything is new. We'll go to the immigration counter and I will let you know what documents that you need to be get ready to show to the immigration officer, and after then to the baggage counter, take your bag and go to your home by train or by connecting flight. Sorry, because of security reason, I did not capture the immigration process. The document that you have to show to the immigration officer are negative RT-PCR report, which is mandatory. Without this, you can't enter into the Germany. And second is vaccination certificate. It is not mandatory, but if you have, you can show to them. But remember one thing: if you are vaccinated, then you don't need to do the quarantine for 14 days. You can do for 1 day. Then after that, you can show the negative RT-PCR report after entering into the Germany, and you can quit the quarantine. But if you don't have a vaccination, then you have to do the quarantine for 14 days if you come from the variant country. If you come from the high risk country, then you have to do only a 10 days quarantine, but still you can quit that quarantine after 5 days if you submit the negative report after 5 days entering into the Germany. And there is another documents, the proof of travel. So why are you traveling to Germany? If you are a student, then show the admission letter. If you got a job, then show the job offer letter. And the another is apartment contract. If you got apartment on rent, then you can show the contract, and otherwise hotel booking. And within this, you have to show the travel and health insurance as well, for the 6 months or for 1 year. 1 year, it depends on your visa. This is the baggage, 18 counter. 16. Wait, 18. So it's the baggage. Okay, so I got my all luggages, and if you want to buy this trolley to carry your bag, so you have to pay I think €1 by this machine, then you can take this trolley. So here are my big bags. When you will exit, you will find again the two navigations. The one is for the train station just on my left hand side here, and just on my right side there is a main exit gate where you can get the bus and the cab or taxi. So I wanted to go by train, so I just came downstairs where you will find the restaurant cafe where you can eat if you are hungry, and just on in front of me there is the office where you can buy the tickets, and here is the navigation to go to the train station. Hope you really like this blog. If you like it, please like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will not miss any update from my channel. And thank you so much for watching this blog, and keep supporting me like this. So we'll see you in our next blog. Stay happy, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye bye. Love you.